Alright. As you can see, it's time to thread a Singer Genie. This also has 353 in the corner. This is one of the terrible upper button tensioners. I mostly just don't like them because they are fiddly and counterintuitive compared to other Singer tensioners. But there's a little thread guide hook here, and then you got to go underneath the lower hook on the tensioner, and then over the top and behind the take-up spring, and then you got to go around the other hook here, and now it needs to go down to this take-up hook, and that hook down there is just to make sure that the take-up arm, big take-up arm here, is in the right spot, and it goes down from the take-up arm to a thread guide on the front of the machine and a thread guide on the needle bar, and then the needle threads from front to back. Alright. For bobbin threading on the Genie, it's got a pretty standard bobbin winder over here. It has a push button on the clutch on the side that pops out, and the very standard tension button. So you wrap around the front, cross the thread over, and then you're in bobbin winding mode to wind around your bobbin. The Genie is a really stylish little machine. As much as I think these tensioners are terrible, it is designed to be very portable and compact. So inside the cover here is a compartment for the pedal, and then this cover slips right on here, locks in place, and latches to be a cute, handy, portable machine. And then there's just a big button here to release this latch, and then you can slide the cover off. It's got manual buttonhole, so you can use the left and right needle position and a narrow zigzag to buttonhole, but it's got all the basic stitches. So honestly, as a starter machine from the late 60s or early 70s, it's a stylish and cute little machine. This one seems to work fine.